The HBN Smart Dehumidifier unboxing. Check the link in the description for more information and where to get one. It can cover up to 4,500 square feet with a 1.72 gallon water tank capacity and many smart features. It's energy efficient and perfect for use in the home, kitchen, bedroom, garage, closets, offices, and workplaces. The control panel is simple and easy to use, and the design of the unit is very ergonomical and user-friendly. 7mm copper pipes and blue hydrophilic aluminum coils makes it effective and energy efficient at the same time. Everything is easy to remove for cleaning and emptying. Smooth rolling casters allow you to move it around conveniently. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. Power on, the digital display will appear. Child lock keeps the settings so they won't accidentally be changed if someone presses the buttons. 24-hour timer setting allows you to automatically turn off the unit whenever you want. Humidity settings can range from 30% to 80%. Fan settings for circulation or dehumidifying. Variable fan speeds. Sleep mode keeps it running quietly in the background. Dehumidifying modes: strong, continuous, normal, and dry close, depending on your situation. The filter is washable for reuse. Water level indicator shows you when you are near max and need to empty the tank. Digital display shows you the humidity level and color indicator. The drain hose can be used if you wanted to continuously drain water out instead of filling the tank and manually emptying it. So if you're in the market looking for a dehumidifier, check out HBN Smart Dehumidifier in the link in the description down below. This unit packs a lot of punch for its size, and it comes with many customizable features to cater to your needs and control the humidity levels to keep your home, workplace, clothes, and loved ones dry and comfortable. Thank you for watching again. Please leave me a like, share, and subscribe to support me so that I can make more content like this. See you in the next one.